feathers. Ooh. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hi, remind me. Just waking up. Come on, mate. Stay. Oh, you guys fell over. Why? We're going on a trip. Just about to get ready so that we can go on a little trip. And during that trip, I want to see how many scrunchies I can make. So I'm gonna pack my yarn bag. I'm just gonna be mainly doing it while we're traveling places. So like while I'm in the car, on the way down, on the way back. And while we're just like relaxing and that sort of thing. I just wanted to check in and say good morning. I'm gonna go have a shower now. Let's do that. Sorry, I didn't mean to hit you. Bye. I will talk to you soon. Playing yarn chicken. Do you know what yarn chicken is?
For example, a fish just step out of the way.
Because I've only got this much
no,
left.
I don't know the answer to the question. I want to
But I
destroy
still
the
need to
whole
do some.
system. They want to rip everything down. They want to
yarn chicken. Oh no. One done, but I have forgot my scissors. I think I might have scissors somewhere, but this has got to be the quickest crochet project I've done in ages. Oh, in so long. It took me like an hour and a half or something. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of I don't know what they're called, but it's like, you know, those salsa dresses. I know that they wear them in those tango dances and stuff. I don't know. I'll find a picture that this reminds me of.
They call me Cuban Pete. I'm the king of the rumba beat. When I play the maracas, I go chick chicky boom, chick chicky boom.
Still works like a scrunchie, but that's scrunchie number 1, and we're only less than 2 hours into this trip. I didn't really show me doing it, but I did. It's basically just 2 rows. So there's a foundation one to like connect to the elastic, and then there's 2 rows of double crochet, but you do like 3 in each 3 in each stitch, and that's what makes this like ruffle effect, which is really cool. I think we're gonna go grab some food before continuing to drive. What do you think of my scrunchie?
So you make that
Crochet. Does it remind you of anything?
Christmas, Santa Claus.
Christmas?
Yeah. What is the problem? The fact that Monday, Wednesday.
Yay or nay? Come in. Ooh, pretty. Turn. Ooh. Nice. I'm gonna start the next one. I think. So this one's gonna be knit, and it's Still gonna be 7 millimeters because it's the only one I could find. Which one should I do?
Cause there's music in the air and lots of loving everywhere, so give me the night.
We're gonna cast on 90, I think. 90 stitches. Ooh.
Yeah, that's like the first phone. Just go wait for it to get cheaper and develop it.
Alrighty guys, voiceover Tanisha here. So we arrived at our Airbnb, which was absolutely lovely. Better than I expected actually. It was so beautiful. I just realized I didn't really tell you why we were going on a trip. So it was my father-in-law's 60th birthday recently, and so we just decided that as a birthday gift we would all go out as a family, spend some time in like wine country. Here I'm doing like a little what's in my yarn bag, sort of pack my yarn bag with me video. I did this the day before we ended up going on like this big day out where we did wine tasting. We went to like a cheese bar. I didn't get any footage of that, sadly. We went to a chocolate factory, and yeah, it's just really useful having a little bag full of your stuff that you could just like whip out a crochet or knit project anywhere you are. And you know, we were on like a little private bus, so that was really, really handy. Maybe I won't use the carry, I'll just...
So all tropical flavours, so all honeydew melon, passion fruit and pineapple, okay? It is a very volatile environment. It's an absolute bugger, trust me, it's an absolute bugger. I spray twice every 2 weeks, religiously. Whereas in the Barossa Valley, they spray maybe once a season.
Wow.
It's just totally different.
Busy, busy, busy bees doing their job. Show me. What do we get?
We got bloody hell. We got one of these weird shells.
Ooh.
Tanisha likes.
I do like them. Thank you.
I do not like that.
Whoa! Excuse my hair. I just woke up. But I finished another scrunchie. Haven't finished, I still need to put a trim. And I'm thinking white or this orangey color. I think maybe this orange. Number 3.
How about Butt now.
Butt feathers. Ooh. Oh, the ducks.
Creature.
I'm gonna insert like a brief video of each of these scrunchies and like how I would style them. I find that these scrunchies are more decorative, so they're not very practical. Yeah, I find that with the knitted ones, I can't really tie them up the way that I usually do. The crochet ones, however, I can. The crochet ones are really good for tying up my hair like in a more tighter thing. But the thing about this ruffle design is that if you go once, twice, thrice, you're going to kind of lose the ruffle effect. It's just going to kind of mush together. I'd say that the crochet ones look better in a bun. But yeah, you tie them up with a normal hair tie and then you just kind of like pop these on top. Oh, thank you. Ringo's inside. He's just like, who are you talking to? I am not kidding when I tell you that they literally are like the quickest thing to make. So if you're like looking for a project that you just need like, you just want something done within like less than 2 hours, I definitely recommend these. If you guys are interested in the video tutorials that I use to make these scrunchies, I will link them down below in my bio. My Instagram and my TikTok is also linked down below if you're interested. But in saying that, I didn't follow the tutorials step by step, word for word or anything. I just like basically skimmed through. I got the basic steps and then I just like memorized. Really recommend. They're really good tutorials. Do you like it? Alrighty. He also makes this sound every single time I talk to someone. He doesn't really know who I'm talking to, so he makes this like sniffing sound. I'll prove it. Okay, ready? Every time I go silent, he stops. And then every time I start talking again, he'll start doing it again. We are at the end of the video now. Thank you so much for watching. Ringo says bye. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate you coming along. I hope you enjoyed the sightseeing just as much as we did and got some good crochet and knit pieces out of it. Tell me how you think they turned out. Oh, thank you, Ringo. Yeah, I hope you have a lovely day, a lovely night, wherever you are in this world, and I will see you in my next video. Tell the people you like them. Oh. That's so nice of you, Ringo. So nice of you. Good boy. Alright, that's enough. Toodles.